Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name black color, yellow color, green color, red color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O N E 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use yellow color. T W 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use green color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. S E V E and 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use green color. E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use red color. N I N E 9. 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10 and use blue color. T E and 10. Kids today draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.